unboxing and review video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Elgato Wave 3 microphone, as well as some accessories for it. And this microphone is designed specifically with streaming in mind, so it has some really interesting features that we're going to be taking a look at. One of them is an anti-clipping feature, which sounds pretty neat. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this guy out of the box. So really quick, I just want to thank my mom for getting me this stuff as an early birthday present. Thank you so much for this. I really appreciate it. Let's go ahead and slice this first box open real quick and see what we have inside here. Alright, so it looks like we have another box in here. Alright. Alright, so inside the box, looks like we got our quick start guide. And I'm assuming this is going to be our cable. Yep, alright, so this is our cable in here, as well as an adapter to attach it to a boom arm if you already have one. I won't be using this adapter, I don't think, because I'm assuming that the low profile arm that I got comes with a specialty mount or something like that. And then I believe this is just a safety guide. Alright, so then here is the actual microphone itself. And it actually has some decent amount of weight to it. Is there anything else in here? Nope, just some cardboard. Okay, so the actual mic itself is right here. I'm just gonna pop this little seal off. Alright, so here is the Wave 3 microphone. And so it has like a little rubberized base so it doesn't slide around. And it has this interesting mount system. But basically, on this front, you have a knob and you can turn it for your microphone. And then if you click it in, it switches to your headphones, which is your monitoring. So you can adjust how loud you're hearing it out of your headphones for your voice. And then this adjusts like a mixer type of deal. So up top we have a little haptic mute button. So this doesn't click in, it's touch sensitive, so you tap it to mute, and then this lights up red letting you know you muted it. And then around back we have our USB-C connection to connect it to your computer, as well as a headphone jack for monitoring. So I'm going to go ahead and get these other accessories out, and then we'll go ahead and do a sound test. Alright, so I am currently recording audio using the Elgato Wavelink 3 microphone. I'm the correct distance away from it right now. The shock mount and the pop filter are really nice, and I really like this low profile arm. My old boom arm with my Blue Yeti came over from this side of the desk, went over, blocked my view from the monitors, but now I can fully see everything, which is really nice. And it fits right underneath my monitors, and it has cable management, like magnetic pieces that are metal that attach there. I'll put a close-up photo of what that looks like up here now. But yeah, this thing is really well built. There we go, snapped it back in place. So this Wavelink software on my desktop right here, I'll full screen it so you can kind of see what's going on. But I'm not going to go super in depth in it, but right here I have like my microphone input here. I can add more, so I can have like a channel. If I hit add, I can do like system, music, browser, voice chat, sound effects, game, and any devices that are plugged in here. So you can like adjust your game volume separately, your Discord volume separately, and tied together with a Stream Deck like this one here, makes it really easy to do on the fly, especially if you have this to the side and like your game right here. One thing that's really cool too is you can get audio effects and plugins. It has some preloaded ones, so it has one that's compatible with NVIDIA Broadcast. It has another one which is an EQ, so if I add this, it pops up here like so, and you can see it. Um, but I'm gonna keep that disabled. I don't really like to mess around with my settings too much, because I'm not like, I don't think I'm at that skill level yet, because I'm still getting started. But I do have the noise suppression stuff enabled. So like if I have this fan on my desk at full speed, I'll turn it on max speed. You can probably hear it going a little bit when I talk. But what I will do now is I will go into my settings and I will really quickly disable this. So now you should be able to hear a lot more background stuff. And if I re-enable it, well, now it sounds a lot better. And I think that's really nice. So that helps out a lot. And you have a monitor mix output here. So that is going to be like um, audio coming in, like just in general. Like that's your general audio. At the bottom, you have stream mix, and that's stream output. So on OBS or whatever broadcast software you're using, you select that as your microphone. You select stream wavelength, and so I can have all these little things here, audio inputs, and I can change what they come out of. So if I hit the little ear icon down here, it's going to listen to the stream mix instead. But the stream mix is going to be what's going to OBS. So I can change whatever sound I want. So if I'm listening to music on my headphones that's copyrighted, let's say you got a Spotify playlist, well, you can listen to that and not have it play through your stream output, which means you won't get copy striked, but you can still listen to your music, and then maybe you can put some like non-copyright music for your stream to listen to. Um, so that's actually a huge help. You don't need any like fancy thing like a Go XLR or something like that to get set up. You can do it all in Elgato's wavelength software. And this is also PC and Mac compatible. So since my gaming PC isn't powerful enough to stream, what I'm gonna do for my setup is like right over here, I'm gonna have my MacBook and have all this plugged into it. I just switch around the USB ports, plug it in the Mac instead. But yeah, it's compatible with both if that's something you're concerned about. But yeah, I think this thing sounds really good when I was listening to it earlier, using the output mix. You don't have to use a monitor mix by plugging wired headphones in the microphone. You can actually set up your own headphones inside the Wavelength software. So it's like an all-in-one software thing that you can access, and it intertwines with Elgato's regular Stream Deck software. So it's really, really nice. I think it sounds nice and crisp. Um, I literally only put noise suppression on it. That's all I did, and adjust the gain a little bit with the switch. So yeah, if you don't want to mess around with your microphone a lot and you just want something that sounds good straight out of the box, I would highly recommend this. And it's small form factor, really high quality. I think Elgato did a great job on this thing. I think the hardware and the software really complements each other. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider sharing this video with a friend. But with that being said, I will see you all in the next video.